In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export deals inside of Freshsales CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would. Then from here you need to log into your account. And from here you need to go over to the left hand side and go down to admin settings. From here you'll need to go down to account settings and go over to account settings again, where you can edit your sign up detail and export data. Then from here you'll need to click export data right here. From here you'll need to select the time period from either 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, until today, or a custom period. Then from here you need to choose a record to export. From here you'll just need to click the notes or the deals and click export data. And as you can see here, data will be initiated. Once done, you'll receive an email with a link to a zip file. Then from here, you need to go inside of your email account and find the Freshsales link right here. And as you can see here, click here to download the data, and it is right here. And as you can see now, deals.csv. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!